Hello, today we're going to be making a quick 2D face rig. To start off, I'm going to need a second viewport showing me my UVs. Selecting the face, I'm going to assign this a new material. This will be our face's material. I'm going to adjust the UV size and rotation so that it's a little straighter. Then over in the shader view, I'm going to assign a new image texture to my material. I'm going to select my faces, making sure that my faces are named the same and are followed by 001, 002, and so on. Now we're going to turn on auto refresh and cyclic. You will need to turn cyclic off if you want to animate. Now let's adjust the UV so that our texture fits our face better. Of course, your face will fit better if you make the texture directly for this model. Now to control this face, we'll need an armature bone, and we're going to move it into place in object mode. Name it now, because if you try to rename it later, it will break the driver that we're going to make. In our armature's pose mode, we are going to set our gimbal to local mode, hitting N to bring up our transforms. We're going to copy the Y location as a new driver. Now select mesh, and in the materials, we're going to paste this as a new driver into our offset. Now we can see our driver is working, but our bone needs to move way too much in order to change the offset, so let's fix that. Let's start by making the bone smaller so they can stay closer to the head. Then over in the materials, edit our driver and change the type to scripted expression. Change the variable to I, and then we're going to use the following expression: open bracket, I times 10, close bracket. The larger the number, the less the bone will need to move in order to change the offset. Now so that our bone can't fly off anywhere, we're going to add a bone constraint of the type limit location. The minimum and the maximum for our Y turned on, effect transformation should be set, and our owner should be set to local space. Now because we are moving it down, to change the face, our max stays at 0, and our minimum for me will be set to negative 0.49. This number will be set off the number of faces you have. I have 5 faces, so we'll start at 0, 0, and then I'll add 0.1, and so on for each face. If you want to animate this, you have to start at a frame higher than the face count, or set the image texture starting frame to a negative number based on the number of faces you have. But this brings this video to an end. If you want to make this character yourself, I have videos on modeling and UV unwrapping it, which should be on your screen now.